The way that a space is designed, the way that an object is designed, has the power to influence the way that we feel. Understanding the background of a material, the quality of a material, has the potential to improve our experience.
If you create something really beautiful and aesthetical, you discover that something is sustainable, I think that is really adding an extra value. From the outside it looks really robust, and it really doesn't tell you that it's an electric car.
One of the lovelier features of the car is the fact that the doors open outwards, which allows you to transition from the outdoor environment to the interior environment. It's designed almost as a living space.
Using recycled materials like the cork and the PET textiles, they look of high quality, so you also don't notice in the first instant that it's recycled. So also with my work, first glance you don't see the materials that are being used, but if you take a closer look, then you discover the story.
Materiality is something that's really important for me in my own work, and you can see that that is important also when you look at the car. The attention to detail, those fine finishes, craftsmanship on the interior, it's very precise, very beautifully done.